It's Renee from Beautex here with Luke from Constructions, who's going to be showing us how to install the horizontal batten system. We are currently doing an undercover alfresco area on a raised deck. So we've started off with a timber frame. We've got our vapor permeable sarking, our 20mm castellated batten installed on a continuous noggin at no more than 600 centres. We've got down the bottom, you would normally have your cavity closer. However, in this instance on the raised deck with minimal risk of vermin, this has not been included. I recommend that you have a cavity closer at the base of the wall, above your window and door headers, as well as at your inter-story flashings. Please refer to our install manual for further detail on cavity closers and your stud spacings. When it comes to ground clearance and using our primed Selflok profiles, your minimum requirement to finished ground is 50mm and to unfinished ground is 150mm as per the building code. However, in this instance, being on an elevated deck and in an undercover alfresco area, we have reduced the ground clearance to 10mm. On the corner, we've got our latest accessory, the external combo corner. This makes it super easy when installing our overlapping profiles with our more flush weatherboards and panels. So as you can see, we've got the large opening on one side for your classic and prime lock profiles, and the smaller opening on the other, which will suit your Selflok, weather groove and Rubik's. Luke has installed some of our Selflok vertically, we can talk about the fasteners. So given that we have used our smooth profile here, we are using the ring shank nails. However, if you were to install the Woodsman natural or rough sawn profiles, you would be looking at the ND50 stainless steel brad nails. You will be required to install 2 face fasteners per plank per batten, and over on the corner, your fasteners will need to be spaced at 150.